Oh my god, wait, I found a wall for A6. Hold on. I'm running for shoulders just yet, but I need to remember.
Oh my god.
What the fuck was that?
Can I get a rest before it actually pushes them through?
Yeah, that's just one left. There's one health. It's not one health, but like it's barely cracked. Next one.
Oh my god, I wanted to.
Oh shit.
No, he ain't the skybox, it's the loogie box.
The loogie box.
That sounds nasty. Sucking spit.
Oh shit. Oh, still. Holy shit. Ah.
They're reshielding.
He's running.
Oh, touched him! He's gonna die.
J'arrive.
Mickey, qui es-tu? Je suis Mickey. Mickey, c'est moi Mickey.
Mickey ta race.
What the f...
5 mecs au car, j'allais sans viseur au corps à corps, ça marchait.
Du quel côté tu viens, t'as plus d'avantage.
Non, t'es mort.
J'ai
tué Perry l'ornithorynque.
Oh!
T'es mal à la taille de la grenade.
Oh, j'ai le mec au-dessus. Putain, y'a un mec qui.
Not looking good though.
What the f...
Oh,
I just got fucked in the ass.
Oh, I'm dead again. There's a sniper.
No,
I'm
no,
dead.
no, why would you shoot
Sounds like someone just got farmed.
Go inside.
Oh my god, they keep coming!
Secure D.
Pause.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Get me.
I need ammo.
I'm gonna set a beacon, fuck it.
I'm here.
Oh, we don't have enough
You can
points.
set the beacon. I am the...
No, we can.
Holy shit.
Oh!
You are, we are.
Thank you.
Oh my god, there's someone playing Freebird!
Who's playing?
Pass me, okay.
Also, I can't hear Mike.
Caballo, there's someone above you in that building.
I know.
I got eyes. No, I don't got eyes. I'm fucking dead.
Kill the guy with Oh!
Holy shit.
Wait, I'm gonna dodge bullets.
Oh no.
Ah, my ass.
I saw your POV! I fucking...
Oh my god, yeah, that's pretty good. Did he almost scream?
Oh, the boom boom boom. Boop.
Chance, what are you doing?
Boop.
Boop. Chance, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing?
Boop.
Chance, what are you doing? Peace.
Here they come.
Nice job. Now
Let's go!
What you get stuck at, Eve? You got stuck at like the mirror though.
No. I fucking knew it. You saw that? Saw that flick?
No. Holy.
Non, je les ai. Troisième headshot. J'ai pas fini. J'ai pas fini, quatrième headshot. P250. Non.
En vrai, je peux être votre coach, hein, je vois à peu près le terrain.
Oui, j'ai pas compris non plus.
Oh le gars avec le con derrière.
Wow! Oh!
Ah, t'as go.
Non! Oh mon dieu, c'est quoi ce timing de merde?
Non. Double greu.
Oh.
J'ai pris double greu.
C'est un smoke le.
Oh!
Let's go.
T'as mis un travers? let's go. Oh de merde, instant vie, c'est ça qui est drôle.
C'est marrant ça.
Ah, le nouveau système, c'est très risqué, hein, s'ils ont
Oui, aussi, t'as compris. Oh putain! J'avais mon Glock sur la POV!
Je passe, j'ai la bombe, Mettez le short.
Voilà. Les gars, ils Ouais, c'est bon. Le combat de
Oh yeah. You thinking of the same world I'm thinking of? Yeah. Down there recently.
What, Kiwi needs the dick from you? What?
I'm so dumb. I'm so close to like quitting my fucking Xbox controller, and that they grabs me in there. I'm still alive, for fuck's sakes. Fuck you.
No! Don't kill me!
That you're dead.
No!
You were living that one. Oh, you better. Oh, I swear to God, please listen to these silly.
No! No! How the fuck did you do so much damage?
What the fuck?
Oh!
It sounded like a ground.
Holy shit! He fucking scared the shit out of me. Don't do that. You fucking bitch. Civilier?
Y'a des civils? Shoot them.
Bah ouais, regarde.
Oh. Non, c'est
Les fourmis, elles arrivent.
pas de malus, c'est les civils, c'est pas
J'ai double shot l'enculé.
Oh non, en vrai, ça, c'était bon.
You.
Beginning of the hole, I like to kind of make sure there's no dark green showing, and I let go, and that's kind of how it works for me. You need to not touch that that piece that's going to block you back at all, or you have to get it so that you dip down below.
Tu es avec moi.
Je suis en train de mourir.
Mais quelle chance! Tu ne peux pas me suivre.
Ah oui?
Non, non, non.
Je suis infecté.
Attends, il doit être en haut, peut-être dans le tunnel. Attends.
Non, 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 je les attends.
Ouais.
Regarde.
Mais.
Mon petit storbo, c'est tout powerful. Oh, c'est quoi ta voix?
L'arrêt.
Ta gueule, Jackson.
Ce monstre là, il est là-bas là. Si tu veux, je t'aide à le faire descendre.
Et il arrive tout seul, il arrive.
Mais non, il arrive pas, regarde. Regarde, non mais il est juste là, Stambros. Non mais attends, mais... Yo bro, Stambros is right here.
Exercice des bras. Faites de temps en temps les exercices des bras. Genre, vous touchez rien dans votre zone. C'est pas un... Non mais...
Mec, c'est le jeu le plus dangereux. Alors, One Piece, ça va?
What the fuck?
Non, je voulais sauter avant que tu me...
Stambros! No more! Dude! Stop! Watching my friends die in front of me!
What the fuck? I'm gonna push you down.
Run!
What do you mean run? We can't run, we're monkeys.
Hey now.
I'm gonna go run over there.
There's one over there. There's one over there. No.
Ah! Oh my god!
Back up from my bed.
Oh putain!
I'm stuck.
Saute, quart de cercle avant et B. Et tu peux te charger. Et si tu fais quart et en l'air avec Y, c'est le.
Frère, ils sont dans tous les sens, lui.
Ah, c'est OP. Non.
Ok. Ah, il casse-couille.
Boing.
The pills. I know there was pills here, but I don't remember
Target
where.
Kiwi, target Kiwi, target Kiwi.
No! I ran into this exactly, bro. No!
Fucking Kiwi, the fucking...
The whole screen shaking.
Oh!
Holy crap.
After it. Oh, he just fucking threw cheese at you? What the fuck?
Yo.
Hey yo.
Hey, Lugi.
What's up?
I was telling Jackson that, like a little bit ago that not feeling a little too good right now. My
Why is
my stomach kind of feel a little.
What the fuck was that, dude?
How much? No! How much health did he have?
Bro, how much? How the fuck you do that?
Oh, look at me like that!
Oh!
My rock?
Yeah, your Minecraft block.
My.
Oh!
Where did you get that? I'll strike one door, you fucking point your gun at the other.
I love random kills.
Enemy spotted.
What else? Yeah. Help!
He already misses.
Oh my god, I got them.
Kind of annoying.
Minus
Get
one.
your ass back here!
I'm keeping them all the way there.
You're going the back again, so.
The end was just me rushing in there. Give me the fin. No. I died from Isabel. Oh, you fucking flew.
Hell yeah.
I might be a little late.
Did you see me get hit midair?
That was me.
No, it wasn't.
That was me, look.
I'm charging.
No way I just did that.
How? A fucking garbage bag.
No. Almost. Oh, oh shit.
I haven't done any or
Damn.
Did I just see you, Loogie? Is that you, Loogie? What's up,
I
Loogie?
don't know.